In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a Fortnite error if it is a D3D11 error. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by searching Advanced System Settings on your computer. Now, it should open up a System Properties window that looks like this. You're going to make sure you're on Advanced and click on Settings. You're going to go to Advanced once again, and then right here click on Change. Now once you're on this window, you're going to uncheck this box, click on Custom Size, and in the initial size you're going to write 1024, and then this maximum size depends on your computer's RAM. Mine has 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I will multiply 8 by the initial size of 1024. So that would be 8192, and I would set it. And then once I click OK, it's going to say that you have to restart your computer before it can take effect, but that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.